Bro just said what? Bro, cold. I have a cool thing to show you. Really, what is it? Try googling what dinosaur has 500 teeth. Wait, what? What now? Try googling. What the frick is this? Okay, that was that was very random. So what? Oh, what? It already has this? Nice. What is this? Dinosaur in the... Oh, okay. Nigersaurus. How to pronounce this word? Niger? Niger... I don't even know. I don't even know. I don't even want to know.